So we are still on vector. So this is the second example, example 2, under linear combination of vectors. Under linear combination of vectors. So example 2, show that the set of vectors v1, v2, v3 given by v1 is equals to 2a minus 3b plus c, comma, then v2 is equals to 3a minus 5b plus 2c, comma, then v3 is equals to 4a minus 5b plus c. Please don't mind my letters. Don't mind the way I write my letters. So, comma, where a, b, c are what? Are non-zero. Where a, b, c are non-zero and non-complanar vectors is linearly dependent. Don't forget I said we should show that the set of vectors v1, v2, v3 is linearly dependent. This time around, it is what? It is linearly dependent. So it's, what did I say? I said when you are to solve for linearly dependent, your determinant must give you what? 0. So let's solve this guy and see if our determinant will give us what? 0. So let's solve for this guy now. So now let's bring out what we have. We have v1 as what? 2a minus 3b plus c, comma, we have v2 as 3a minus 5b plus 2c, and we have v3. We have v3 as what? 4a minus 5b plus c. So now let's solve the determinant of this guy now. So when you do it, I, j, k. For v1, what was the value for? You know, this a b, c are the components. Share you get. So it's just like I, j, k. So this a, b, c are the components, just like I, j, k. So for the v1, what's our a? Our a here is what? Okay, let me do it this way. Let me write it so you will not get confused. A, b, c. So what is the value for a for v1? We have 2. The value for b for v1, we have what? Minus 3. Don't forget you take it with the sign, minus 3. Then the value for c is what? 1. Then for v2, what's the value for a? 3. Value for b, minus 5. The value for c, 2. Then v3, value for a, 4. Value for b, minus 5. Then value for c, 1. So this is everything. So don't forget, what do? You put what? Plus, minus, plus. You don't need to write it very big. Just small. Plus, minus, plus. So now, solving the determinant of this guy now. So let's solve it here. So we'll be having, when we pick plus 2, you know the first thing is what? Plus 2. So let's pick plus 2. What are we going to be seeing? When we pick plus 2, let's just write it, a rough sketch. This is a rough sketch. 2 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. Then 4 minus 5, 1. You know, this is the 2 I'm picking. Don't forget to cancel to the row, cancel to the column. Cancel to the row, cancel to the column. What are we going to be seeing? Minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 1. Minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 1. So let's write it. Minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 1. So what is the next thing? The next thing is what? Minus. Minus. Then what do we have again? Minus 3. So that will be minus 3. You can put it in bracket. So let's go again. We have 2 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. Then 4 minus 5, 1. This is the minus 3 I'm picking. This is the minus 3 I'm picking. Cancel to the row, cancel to the column. What are we saying? 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So we'll be having 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So the next thing is what? Plus 1. Plus 1. So we have 2 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 5, 1. This is the one I'm picking. Cancel to the row, cancel to the column. What are we seeing? We're seeing 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5. 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5. So now let's solve the 2 by 2. That will be plus 2 into bracket. I said this times this, then minus this times this. So that will be minus 5 times 1, then minus 2 times minus 5. Minus times minus 3 will give us what? Plus 3. So that will be 3 times 1 minus 2 times 4 plus 1. So that will be 3 times minus 5 minus 5 times 4. So that will be giving us plus 2 into bracket. Minus 5 times 1 will give us what? Minus 5. Abi? So then minus 2 times minus 5 will give us what? Minus 10. So let's put inside bracket. Then plus 3. 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Then minus 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. Then plus 1. 3 times minus 5 will give us what? Minus 15. Then minus 5 times 4 will give us what? Minus 20. So that will be giving us plus 2 into bracket. Minus 5. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus 10. Then plus 3 into bracket. 3 minus 8. Then plus 1 into bracket. Minus 15. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus 20. So that will be giving us plus 2 into bracket. Minus 5 plus 10 will give us what? 5. Then plus 3 into bracket. 3 minus 8 will give us what? Minus 5. Then plus 1 into bracket. Minus 15 plus 20 will give us what? 5. So that will be giving us plus 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. 3 times minus 5 will give us what? Minus 15. Abi? Then 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. So 10 minus 15 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 will give us what? 0. So you see that it's actually true. So it's actually true that this set of vectors what? V1, V2, V3 are linearly dependent. So do you see the difference between the two? If you are solving for linearly dependent, your determinant must give you what? 0. If you are solving for linearly independent, your determinant must not be equal to what? 0. So we can just say, therefore, the set of vectors V1, V2, V3 are what? Are linearly dependent. Are linearly dependent. So please don't forget, do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.